Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bondem. I am a practical nursing student and I make videos on practical nursing, lifestyle and many more. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. If you are an old subscriber, I am super grateful. This video, it's about a 5-minute makeup challenge. I want to challenge myself to see what I can do for 5 minutes on my face. So I do have my alarm here. As you can see, 5 minutes. And I do have my makeup bag, my makeup kit. And yeah, so let's see what I can do for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna begin by setting my timer just to make sure it's 5 minutes. I'm showing the card. 5 minutes, okay. So it just started. So I'm gonna begin by oh my gosh. So guys, just bear with me. Next thing I'm gonna do is to, wow, this is a concealer. Actually, this is my first time using this. Hopefully, okay, I don't know if I'm doing it the right way. Oh my god. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh god. So what do I have to do next? So I'm gonna use this brow pencil. I don't think I did this thing right. I'm gonna take this off. Oh gosh. Take this thing off. Okay. So gosh, what's this? Oh my gosh. So I'm doing my brows right now. Oh gosh, this looks horrible. Okay, so I'm gonna put my eyeshadow. Ooh. So I think I'd prefer the smoky eyes. I'm not going to do it as well. Just gonna look at the time to see how much time I have left. Oh my god, 1 minute. This is not funny. This is not funny. Like, oh my god, you look like a mad woman. Watch me. So lips. I'm going to use this lipstick. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Guys. So guys, it's 5 minutes and this is what I could do on my face. Can you rate my makeup? I feel like I look like a mad woman. I don't know if I'm going to post this or not, but thanks for watching. Bye.